Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Approach S50 and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall applications on this watch. We can uninstall applications on this watch in two ways. The first way is to do it directly on the watch by using the Connect IQ application, and the other way is to do it on the phone that is paired with your watch by using the Connect IQ application as well. First, I'm gonna show you how to do it on the watch. So what you need to do is to wake up the screen, then press the upper button to open the basically activity menu, then tap on this icon right here at the bottom to open the list of activities. Scroll down, tap on IQ icon. Oh, my bad. IQ icon right here, and it will open the list of applications installed on your watch. And the first one should be Connect IQ Store. Tap on it. After it opens, you should see the main page, this one. Scroll through it, look for the option called Installed, tap on it, and here you have the list of applications installed on your watch, of course. Find the watch application you want to uninstall, tap on it, and then tap on Uninstall, and tap on the checkmark to confirm. And the application will be uninstalled. And once you're done, you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And to do it on the phone that is paired with our watch, open the Connect IQ application. Tap on Device. Here you should see your Approach S50. Now tap on My Device Apps. And here we have the list of applications installed on our watch. Find the app you want to uninstall, tap on it, tap on the More Options icon, tap on Uninstall, and tap on Uninstall. And the app will be removed from your watch. And that's how you uninstall applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.